And a police chase ends with the arrest of a Clarksville man wanted for a double shooting at a bar in Old Louisville. Metro Police say Marcus Coleman was kicked out of Mag Bar earlier this month after fighting with another man. According to court documents, he opened fire as he drove away, hitting one man in the face and another in the ankle. Police arrested Coleman Wednesday evening. They say he led them on a high-speed chase before eventually crashing his car at First and Liberty. Coleman faces assault and numerous charges related to that chase.
Today, child advocates held a rally to kick off National Child Abuse Prevention Month.
WLKY's Alexis Matthews explains the efforts in place on a local and state level to end the dangerous epidemic and protect children.
Child abuse and neglect is a nationwide epidemic, and those statistics are improving here in Kentucky and Indiana. Advocates say until every child is free from abuse and violence, there's still work to do.
Child abuse knows no special month. It is an all-day, everyday issue.
Protecting children from the harms of abuse has been an obligation for Family and Children's Place for more than a century. But President Pam Darnell says the organization is not alone in the fight.
It's the state-level policies and supports, and then the direct service providers who are boots on the ground doing the grunt work.
On Thursday, those child advocates from local prosecutors to state leaders rallied for the cause.
Can we end child abuse? Yes. Can we end child abuse? Yes. Yes, we can.
The call to action also highlighted efforts and strategies already in place, including Governor Andy Beshear's proposed state budget, which increases pay for social workers, fully funds Medicaid, and allows more money for child advocacy centers.
You put kids first, you take care of the people who take care of our kids, and you ensure that organizations just like this one have the resources they need to do what they've been asked to do.
With the third largest child advocacy center in Kentucky and offices in southern Indiana, Family and Children's Place offers medical exams, mental health services, and houses LMPD's Crimes Against Children unit, as well as a branch of Child Protective Services.
So with our year that just ended in June, we saw almost 1,600 children just in this one service, and that's the most we've seen in 8 years.
With Kentucky ranking 5th and Indiana 11th in the nation for child abuse victims, Darnell says they must be that glimmer of hope for children in their greatest time of need.
Is that while we personally may not be responsible, we are all accountable for the community that we build and the kind of community that we have for our children and families to live in.
In Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.